coming through. Today's the 13th. Pretty sure it's the 13th. And it's about 7 o'clock or so. And man, this sucks. There is not a good campsite nowhere. This is the only spot right here. Woo! Here comes the storm. Oh shit. I'm just gonna hunker down. I'm not even gonna set up camp. I wanna wait and see. Hopefully this thing will blow over. So I'm gonna sit here. It's gonna be hailing here in a second. Here it comes the rain. I gotta go. I gotta try to get a shot of this. Woo! Fuck. Hope I don't ruin the camera. But it's hailing. Big time. See the hail? Shit. Look at that fucking hail bouncing, lightning bouncing off the fucking ground. Oh, lordy, lordy. Woo! Hail! Here it is, another day. Today's the 14th. And another storm. My Lord. I just woke up to this mess. Here comes another storm. Had a great night's sleep, but it's a pretty unusual spot. All the camping spots are taken by the floodwaters. And the river dropped last night about 2-3 inches. But if this rain comes back through, oh boy. So I better pack it up and head on upriver. Well, here we go again. Here comes the storm. They said there's a slight chance of rain today. My ass. Yeah. Well, I better put the camera up. Well, here we are. Boy, you gotta love how it works out. I just left White Cloud and I paddle on up and I take a little break and I keep on paddling, and I was sitting there going, well, I might as well just paddle until I'm tired. Well, I just got tired. I didn't even know where I was. And I found this spot right here, good little spot. And lo and behold, I'm just now looking at the map wondering, where the heck am I? And I'm now in Nebraska, but besides that, I'm right here, which is damn close to where Lewis and Clark camped July 11th and 12th. So today is the 14th, I do believe. So I am 2 days. Let's see, 2 days? It would be 2 days behind them. See, they're up here today. They're camping right up there. So they're here, and I'm there. We got mile marker let's say $4.95. Well, here we are. So we're 30 miles apart. 3 days, 3 days from them, 3 days behind them. Not bad. Set up camp. It's a little early, I know, but I'm tired. Today when I walked up into town, there's this old boy that come out and he said hi to me, and I was looking for the people I'd met before, so I just said hi to him, kept on walking. Yeah, I walked up and down the streets and I couldn't find who I was looking for. So it's like, shoot fire. Well, here's this guy again. He introduces himself. He guesses that I'm off the river and all that. And he's a neat little guy. He's oh shoot fire. What's his name? Wolf River Bob. Wolf River Bob has quite a past. He's quite a guy. He's the Lewis and Clark trail guide for the area, and he'd met a lot of famous people. He'd showed me his place and this museum that he's putting together, and he's been to Hollywood and back. He's been on some films, and he's been around the block. He asked me to guess how old he was. I was the guess about 60 years old. He was 78 years old, and anyhow, he took me up to the buffet at the Indian Casino, and we had us a meal, and he took me to the convenience store, and I showed him my boat and whatnot. Really neat guy. Oh yeah, just one more thing. Wolf River Bob, he's one of those guys that used to do the Roy Rogers show, and he'd take that bullwhip. He's been on TV where he'd have somebody stick a cigarette in their mouth, and he'd take his bullwhip and whoosh, just knock that cigarette right in half, right out the guy's mouth. He's a quick draw. What do they call that? I'm not sure what they call it, but a quick draw with the gun.
In an announcement that sent waves of excitement through the world of astrophysics, Professor Stephen Hawking plans to announce that black holes are not as ravenous as he once thought. It was believed that their gravitational force was so strong that they sucked in everything around them, from dust to the remnants of giant stars. But now Hawking believes that some information from that matter that's sucked into the black holes may eventually trickle back out over time. So it's kind of sort of like
This is what Lewis and Clark had to look at 200 years ago.
There you have it, friends, from around the world, across the country, etc. That's news you can lose on a Good Morning Show. Here comes Rush. You're just in time for my morning update. Rush Limbaugh. This week, 15,000 people from diverse countries.
You can't really tell, but a flock of pelicans just went right over. See them? Pelicans. Is that cool or what? Well, here I am. I made about 11 miles this afternoon. Here's camp. We got me some more Mountain Dew and all that stuff.